Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you how I made this tatali recipe. Yes, this is KAAKLO. You can call it tatali or KAAKLO. Yes, this is very delicious and easy to prepare, and I know you're going to love it after watching this video. Let's get right into the ingredients. So I have in my pepper, ginger, 1 large onion, some Whintia, and my rosemary. I also have some oil for frying, a salty taste, and my almighty ripe plantain. This is not too ripe, but it will work perfectly fine. But if you have the soft plantain, that means you are good to go. It works perfectly fine as well. So let's get right into the video. So I have in my asanka, I'll add in all my blended ingredients to it and blend until everything becomes smooth. So I'll blend this off camera because I don't want to waste time at all. Next, I'm going to peel my ripe plantain. I have already washed this plantain off camera, so everything is nice and clean. So I'll peel it until everything is nice and ready. So I was already having some ripe plantain in my freezer, so that's what you're seeing right here. I have this ripe plantain in the freezer for about a month now. That's why it's looking all dark. Next, I'll grind some of my ripe plantain in my asanka, and I'll also blend some to make the work very easy for me. So this is the blended one. As you can see, the blended one looks a little bit watery, and the grinded one in the asanka looks very heavy. Don't worry, you are good to go. Next, in a bowl, I'll add some salt to my blended pepper, Whintia, rosemary, and my onions. Yes, I'll mix until everything is nice and well combined, and add in my blended ripe plantain. Next, I'll be stirring these two together very nicely because I really want the pepper to be kicking in the ripe plantain very well. I really want the spiciness in this plantain. Moving forward, I'll add in my cassava flour. You can use any flour of your choice, whether being all-purpose flour or plain flour. So this is cassava flour or coconut. I will add this little by little because I don't want my cassava flour to overtake my ripe plantain. So the cassava flour is going to help this ripe plantain stick together whilst frying it. So that's why we use cassava flour in this recipe. Yes. At this point, I think I'm at the right consistency I'm looking for. We don't want to make this watery, and we don't want to make this too heavy. So this is what I want. Next, in a hot pan, I'll add in my cooking oil and start dropping my tatali or KAAKLO. So make sure your oil is very hot before you drop in your KAAKLO. And after dropping in your KAAKLO, you set your fire on medium heat so you get the outside and the inside of your tatali fried beautifully. So next, I'm going to leave this on low heat and fry this until everything turns into golden brown. So after 2 minutes of frying this tatali, just look at how nice it turned out. Beautifully golden brown color. And this is the right consistency I'm looking for. Just look at how nice it has fried. I'm going to set this aside and continue frying the rest until everything is nice and done. If you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be the first person to watch my videos. Yes. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, I can't thank you enough. God bless you guys for subscribing to my channel and believing in me. I have more recipes coming your way, and I know you're going to love it as well. And yes, moving forward, my second batch of this tatali is ready, and just look at how golden brown this looks, guys. You don't want to miss this recipe at all. So I'm going to pair this with some beans and some pepper as well. So let me know in the comment section what you love pairing with this totally. Is it with beans or with spicy pepper? For me, this two works like magic. Yes, I love eating with this two. Guys, if you've watched this video to this end, that means you are a great foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of the video and stay blessed.